Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here at Sherry 4x4. We just took in this 2017, this is a Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited, which gives you the 4 doors. But as you can see, this looks a little bit different than your stock Wrangler, right? Take a look here. This Wrangler's got a lift on it, 35-inch general grabber tires, some aftermarket wheels, and some other extras, and I'm really excited to show this to you today. So I just got done driving this down the road, and it does drive like a lifted Jeep. I definitely drove worse. With the big grabber tires on it, you can feel those tires as you're going down the road, but it seems to stick to the road nicely for a Jeep that's lifted. It's not all over. I didn't get any death wobble or anything like that. So drivability is pretty fair for a lifted Jeep. Go ahead and get into the review of the exterior of this Jeep, and then we'll jump in the interior. Windshield looks good. That's something to always look at when you're looking at pre-owned Wranglers. That flat windshield is prone to get big rock splits in it. It has a looks like a DV8 aftermarket hood here, which has got these vents here. I can actually feel the heat coming out of the engine compartment from those vents. It does have the 3.6 liter, that's the Pentastar V6 in this, so plenty of power there. Being a Sahara, it's going to have full painted fenders, as you can see here. Front bumper looks good, has your fog lights down in there. Got a good look here at the suspension here. I was looking at this before the video. It has Jeep Performance Parts Fox Performance suspension here. You can see your steering stabilizer there. Everything really looks good. The guys in the shop said everything checked out. And here you got your, again, 35-inch. These are a general grabber, like a mud tire here, but it does ride pretty good for on-road as well. It does have the XD series wheels on this as well. These are 18-inch wheels, 35-inch rubbers, which gives you a lot of sidewall there on that rubber tire, so you get better traction off-road, right? And Fox JPP parts, Jeep Performance Parts shocks right here. Also part of the Sahara, you're going to get a painted to match top here. All this is painted in this brilliant white. Has a little bit of accenting here on the door handles there. A little bit of paint flake there. No rust or anything, just more paint flake. Full leather seats in here. Has the upgraded rubber mats. Speaker bar. I think you can see it here on that door. I'll show you more when we get in the front, but it's got red accenting throughout the interior. All right, coming to the back, it does have dual exhaust coming out the rear. And a little bit of towing receiver there. Get a shot here of the shock. It has Fox shocks in the rear, just like what we saw up front here. Full-size spare, so same size wheel and tire as what we saw on the rest, mounted here to the door. Everything looks clean back here. On the Wranglers now, that second row does fold down if you need the more cargo space. Door works nicely there. Coming to the driver's side, really, I don't see any major body issues and very minor stuff. I don't even see really any scratches or anything like that. I'm sure there's some very minute, but nothing catches my eye. Been around this vehicle several times and really checks out pretty well. Right here on the hard top, tell where probably someone just had it off and just got into it just slightly there. Has the American flag there on the rear window. I really appreciate that. Now, financing is available on this, so if you're in need of financing and like an idea, you know, what kind of payment term and rates you may qualify, and if you qualify for them, we make it super easy here at Sherry 4x4. I'll just post a quick link below. You can click on it, fill out your information, and it's easy as that, so definitely check that out. Got your Jeep Performance Parts emblem there. It was like when they lift with Jeep authorized parts. You know it's going to work a little bit better. Here's some more of that red accenting that I showed earlier. Power locks there on the door, adjustable seat here. Seat itself looks good. Pretty low miles on this Jeep. It has under 58,000 miles, I believe. We'll check here in just a second. Has your rubber mats up front here, just like what we saw in the back. Let me turn that air down a little bit. Air blows nice and cool. So yeah, 57,188 miles on. No warning lights on the dash. Everything checks out there. More of the red accenting around the heating and air conditioning vents here. It does have the Super Chips reader right here, display. It shows RPM, horsepower, battery voltage, torque, temperatures. So yeah, what gear you're in, how fast you're going. Pretty cool display up there. Over here it has your 6.5 inch touchscreen radio. This is going to be your AM, FM, and satellite radio. Power window controls down below here. Heating and air conditioning controls. Again, AC blows nice and cool. Has remote controlled mirrors. Those are your side mirrors. Heated seats up front here. Traction control, downhill assist, and then power for your 110 volt power. Automatic transmission in this. Four-wheel drive selector right here. Oh. There we go. Nice deep compartment there. It's got a USB and a 12 volt power. I can't really see that at this angle, but it does have that. And here, go upside down like we're on a roller coaster. It does have that 110 volt power right there. All around, really nice lifted Jeep. We've all seen the price of these things new lifted, and they're really expensive. This one here, great price on it. And let's check it out. Never been in an accident. This is the history report. Scores really well. So we post these on our website. Just look for that emblem and check it out. Okay, I hope this video helps you in your decision-making process. I know you've seen this online, and we're looking for some more information. So if there's any more questions you might have, feel free to call one of our representatives. They'll be happy to look out and find the answer that you're trying to gather about this vehicle, or any of our vehicles for that matter. So we definitely like to present everything up front, and that's one reason why we do these videos, to make your buying purchase decision a lot easier. All right, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'm gonna go cruising back in this really cool 2017 Jeep lifted. It's unlimited Sahara. Take care. Bye-bye.